The Færder National Park is one of the lesser known parks in Norway. It doesn't contain any high mountains, deep fjords or glaciers. It's mostly underwater. It is located east and south of the island of Tjøme, which lays south of Tønsberg. Besides the open sea and the sea floor, there are also some small islands in the park. The park was founded in 2013 to preserve a larger natural area with representative ecosystem on the coast of the outer Oslofjord, with particular emphasis on landscape, habitat types, species, geological deposits on land and in the sea, which are free of major natural encroachment. A markant point in the park is Færderfjord, a light tower in the middle of the sea. To get there we are taking a small boat from Sandefjord. This was only possible because there was no wind on that day and the sea was very calm. When leaving the fjord there are more waves. There are not just ruthless drivers on land, but also on sea, like in this case. Poles in the middle of the sea, like this one, indicate a stone just under the surface. On that day there were many other ships around, so in case of a problem it would have taken less than 30 seconds to get help. To save fuel we didn't drive at maximum speed, and it is nearly 15 km to go. After 45 minutes we arrived at the light tower. It was built in 1857. It was not the first light tower in the area. Already in 1697 was a coal-powered light station erected on a neighboring island. The current light tower was manned until 2005. There is also a radar beacon next to it. If you want to visit the light tower but don't have access to a boat, during the Norwegian summer holidays there is a tourist boat from Vellensende, the southern tip of Tjøme, which runs twice a day. You can also charter a tour outside of the season. Check the link in the description for more information. So that's it. If you like these videos then give it a like, and if you haven't done it then subscribe to our channel. Check our Facebook and Instagram for bonus content.